This is Bomigo actually. We just crossed the river from Tunu to Bomigo, one of the beautiful islands in the Anglogan district. Here they have clay deposit. They have different colors. You can see this. This is red. They have other colors. The ash, blue, any even white clay, any color you want, you'll find it here in Bomigo in the Angloga district. Now the young man is trying to dig so that we can see different colors of the clay. The resident wants investors to come here to invest in this, in ceramics. It's very, very, very good according to the residents, and we'll be interviewing a resident here to tell us more about this clay deposit. So this is a huge clay deposit here in Bomigo. So Mr. Young, you are a resident of this area. Tell us briefly about the clay deposit here.
Yeah, the clay deposit of Bomigo is good for ceramics and ceramics wise, and then the bricks and tiles. And I particular am a ceramics man. I do ceramics as a profession. So we are looking for investors to come and invest in the clay deposit. It's a very big clay deposit here in Bomigo, and it is tested in various degrees of degrees Celsius. The maximum is about 2,400 degrees Celsius, getting to metal stage. The minimum 1,100 degrees Celsius. So it can stand any temperature. So it's good for bricks and tiles. So we are looking for those who can invest, even if the fellow doesn't know anything about the clay, but he's interested. I am a ceramics man. I can do any project concerning the clay, even if it is tiles or bricks, ceramics, pottery. I am in it. I do 3 types of firing: electric firing, gas firing, and then the firewood firing. But because of environmental distance, I don't want to go into firewood firing. So we want to go into gas firing. So for that one, because Ghana discovered gas, or Ghana is producing gas, that one it will be a cheap. So if somebody is interested and consulting me, I can give them the guideline. Building the oven, I know everything about it. So this how.
So we also have a tourism promoter here, Mr. Joel Deg. Tell us also what this means for tourism in the Anglogan district.
Thank you very much. Not only tourism, but rather economic development. Research conducted by Keta municipality, the then Keta municipality, about the clay deposit here, reveals that there are about 15 million metric cube of clay deposit here, where we are standing right now. And it could last for 21 years of exploitation. Research by Geological Survey Department of Ghana. Yeah, so this is no news. Politicians know that the clay deposit is here. So what we are calling for now is a political will. If government can create an enabling environment, then investors could bring in capital and bring a clay factory here, ceramics factory. They can do tiles, they can do basin, they can do vase, they can do candlestick holders, they can do anything, bricks, even roofing materials from this clay. Different colors, about 15 colors are found here in their various mixtures. So we are calling on investors, as those that can bring in capital. The returns are great because of environmental issues, and this is a natural clay. Therefore, it doesn't harm the environment when used for anything usable. So the call is that foreign investment is needed. I know it's been done around Western region, so we want it to come also to Bomigo in the Anglogan district of Volta region. As for tourism, yes, this is an island surrounded by water bodies, one of the biggest islands in the Anglogan district. It was recently that they had a footbridge over one of the legs of the stream that join or that surround the area. So having access to this place these days is no longer a dread. So the place is now open for tourism. We have a crocodile pond here. About 20 crocodiles are caged here. And we also have some birds, types of birds that can be seen here. And we also have a rare species of goats here on this island. They are all female goats, but yet they reproduce.
No, male goat.
Male goat, sorry. They are all male goats, but yet they reproduce. So people can come and see this beautiful island, Bomigo, in the Anglogan district of Volta region.
As I said earlier, Bomigo has huge clay deposits. Very natural, different colors. All they need is investors. They need investors. They need government to pay attention to this and bring investors. Now they have a road, as the young man said earlier. So with the road, it's easier. It's not necessary you cross the river. Even though we cross the river to this place because we want to beat time, the residents need investors.